All right, numeric response number 9 here. Oops, sorry, what's going on? So we got this function right here is increasing over the intervals. Okay, we don't know what the intervals are, so anyway, to figure out where it's increasing, we're just going to take the derivative. And you notice those things are chosen actually to be relatively nice to work with. That's going to give us x cubed. That'll give us minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10. And we want to know where that is, what intervals that's increasing over. Oh my gosh, look at that. What a jerk I am, because man alive, that's a cubic. And if I want to figure out where that's increasing, okay, what I got to do here is factor this. I got to solve and figure out where this thing is positive and where it's negative. But even factoring by grouping isn't going to make a difference here. Oh no. So the possible factors here are going to be x plus or minus 1, x plus or minus 2, x plus or minus 5, x plus or minus 10. We're going to have to use the factor theorem. Okay, so now what I'll do here is I'm going to test the factor x plus 1 by plugging in negative 1 into this. So negative 1 cubed minus 4 times negative 1 squared minus 7 times negative 1 plus 10. Okay, what does that equal? Well, negative 1 cubed is negative 1. Okay, negative 1 squared is positive 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. So negative 1, negative 4 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 7 is going to be 2 plus 10 is 12. Okay, well that didn't do it. X minus 1. I'm going to test x minus 1 by plugging in positive 1. Okay. What do we get here? Well, 1 cubed is 1. Minus 4 is negative 3. Minus 7 is negative 10 plus 10 is 0. There it is. So there's my first factor. Yay! So now I'm going to perform synthetic division. Okay, and I've got 1, negative 4, negative 7, 10. I am going to divide by x minus 4, so I'm going to put positive 1 out there, bring down the 1, multiply, and then I'll add. Oops. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Multiply, and then I'll add negative 10. Multiply, add, and I get 0. All right. So now this is x minus 1 times x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, and remember, I'm looking for where this is equal to 0. X minus 1, and then this should factor down fairly nicely into that. X minus 5, x plus 2, which gives me my 3 roots here at 1, 5, and negative 2. So now along the number line, that's negative 2, 1, and 5. This is, notice that the first derivative is a cubic, okay? That moves upwards. It's got a positive leading coefficient, so it's going to go up, down, up. And I can tell, based on where this function is positive or negative, where the original function is increasing. So the function's negative here, positive here, negative here, positive here, which means the original function is increasing on negative 2 to 1, union 5 to infinity. And there we go.